Did you know that intermittent fasting can boost your metabolism by up to 14%? That means you could be burning more calories even when you're not working out. Today, we're going to talk about a weight loss strategy that's been gaining popularity rapidly over the past few years: intermittent fasting. When it comes to losing weight, we've all been there, trying every diet, every exercise routine, every trick in the book, but somehow we just can't seem to shed those extra pounds. One of the biggest challenges we face is sticking to a diet. Let's be honest, it can get pretty boring and restrictive, and before we know it, we're back to our old habits. Another struggle is dealing with hunger pangs. It's hard to focus on anything when all we can think about is food. And then there's the issue of slow progress. We work so hard, but the scale just doesn't seem to budge. It's frustrating to say the least. Lastly, there's the problem of plateauing. We lose weight initially, but then we hit a roadblock and the weight loss just stops. So what if I told you there's a way to overcome all these struggles and achieve fast weight loss? Enter intermittent fasting. So how does intermittent fasting work? Well, when we eat, our body is in a state of constant energy intake and storage. But when we fast, our body is forced to switch gears and start burning stored energy, aka fat. This process is called autophagy, and it's like a natural detox for our body. Intermittent fasting also increases the production of a hormone called human growth hormone, which helps with fat loss. Another benefit is that it reduces insulin resistance, which is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. And lastly, intermittent fasting has been shown to increase our lifespan by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. I want to share a story with you that really illustrates the power of intermittent fasting. My friend Sarah had been struggling with weight loss for years. She tried every diet under the sun, but nothing seemed to work for her. That was until she started intermittent fasting. She started with a 16-hour fast, and within a week, she had lost 5 pounds. But what was even more impressive was the way she felt. She had more energy, her skin was glowing, and she just felt more confident overall. Today, Sarah has lost over 20 pounds and is still going strong. Her success story is a testament to the fact that intermittent fasting can be a game changer for weight loss. I've got a friend who's a fitness coach, and she always says that the key to success is finding a method that works for you and sticking to it. And that's exactly what intermittent fasting is all about. It's not a quick fix or a fad diet. It's a lifestyle change that can have long-term benefits. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've tried intermittent fasting before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to check out our next video for more tips on how to boost your metabolism and achieve fast weight loss.